Welcome to the session on algebraic methods, dividing polynomials. The objectives for this session are to divide a polynomial by a linear expression. A polynomial is a finite expression with positive whole number indices. It is possible to use long division to divide a polynomial by x plus or minus c, where c is a constant. Let's have a go at an exercise. Divide x cubed minus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So let's solve this. First set up the problem as shown. Begin by dividing the first term of the polynomial by x, so that x cubed divided by x equals x squared, and position it here, as shown. Next, multiply x minus 2 by x squared, to give x cubed minus 2x squared. Now subtract as shown, to give 2x squared. And bring the minus 3x down and position it here. Now repeat the method. Divide 2x squared by x to give 2x. And then multiply 2x by x minus 2. To give 2x squared minus 4x. Now subtract as shown to give x, and bring the minus 2 down and position it here. Then repeat the method. Divide x by x so that x divided by x equals 1, and position that here as shown. And finally multiply 1 by x minus 2. To give x minus 2. And subtracting gives us 0. And since we have no more numbers to copy, we've actually completed the question. So x cubed minus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. And this is called the quotient. Now have a go at exercise 2. Divide 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 13x plus 4 by x minus 4. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So let's solve this. Present the problem as shown. And again, begin by dividing the first term of the polynomial by x, so that we have 2x cubed divided by x equals 2x squared. And position the 2x squared as shown. Now multiply x minus 4 by 2x squared. To give 2x cubed minus 8x squared, as shown. Now subtract 2x cubed minus 8x squared from 2x cubed minus 5x squared to give 3x squared. Bring the minus 13x down and position it here. And again repeat the method. Divide 3x squared by x, so that 3x squared divided by x equals 3x. And position the 3x here. Now multiply x minus 4 by 3x. To give 3x squared minus 12x. Now subtract 3x squared minus 12x from 3x squared minus 13x to give minus x. Again, bring the next number down, which is plus 4 in this example, and position it here. And repeat the method. Divide minus x by x, so that minus x divided by x equals minus 1. Position the minus 1 here, and then multiply by x minus 4. To give minus x plus 4. And finally subtract to give 0. And since we have no more numbers left to copy, we've finished. So 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 13x plus 4 divided by x minus 4 equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. And this is called the quotient. Now for exercise 3. Divide 3x cubed plus x squared minus 2x plus 5 by x minus 1. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So let's solve this. Set out the problem as shown. Again, begin by dividing the first term of the polynomial by x, so that 3x cubed divided by x equals 3x squared. And position the 3x squared here. Next, multiply this by x minus 1. To give 3x cubed minus 3x squared. Next, subtract to give 4x squared as shown. And bring the minus 2x down and position it here. Then repeat the method. Divide 4x squared by x to give 4x. Position the 4x here and then multiply by x minus 1. To give 4x squared minus 4x. Subtract to give 2x and bring the 5 down and position it here. Now repeat the method. Divide 2x by x to give 2 and position it here, and then multiply by x minus 1. To give 2x minus 2. And now subtract to give 7, and so we have a remainder 7. This means that we cannot write this expression in the form x minus 1 times by a quadratic. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood its contents, you should be able to divide a polynomial by a linear expression. Thank you very much for listening. To understand this topic in greater depth, do attempt the exercises in your textbook related to it.